Welcome to Code with Petit Pois. In this tutorial series, we will be creating a travel or tourism website, kind of like what we see here. Sites like Viator, which shows like different destinations and what you can do, all the different tours that are available. It's broken down by categories. You can even kind of filter. I might not add all of those features, but this is kind of the website that we're going to be building, similar to that. There's another one called Get Your Guide, which breaks things down into 4 different categories. And we've got food, again, the tour that's provided, how much it is, people's who've taken it, their reviews, etc. And we've also got another one I've found called With Locals, which is basically live like a local, do tours that locals would do. Again, it's very, very clean website with a lot of nice imagery and simple animations. And here we've got something called Klook.com, which again is about staycations in all different locations where you can book and find some tours and attractions to visit. So this is kind of what we're going to be going for our website, and we're going to be recreating something similar to these in using Astro and its capabilities there. So let's get started.